In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a Google form, focusing specifically on understanding how to save progress within it. We'll look at the practical steps you need to ensure your form creation process is smooth and efficient. This tutorial will guide you through the nuances of making the most out of Google Forms, whether you are gathering information for a survey, collecting feedback, or setting up a simple questionnaire. Let's start by navigating to the Google Forms platform. You can access Google Forms by opening your web browser and typing Google Forms into the search bar. The first result should be the official Google Forms page. Once there, if you're not already signed in, you'll want to log into your Google account. This access allows you to start creating, saving, and accessing any forms you've worked on in the past. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the Google Forms dashboard. Here, you can begin creating a new form by clicking on the blank form option, or choosing from a variety of templates suited for different needs. Selecting a template can save you time by providing a pre-formatted layout that fits many common uses, like event registrations or feedback forms. For the purpose of this guide, I'll demonstrate using a blank form, so click on Blank to get started. The blank form sets a foundation for your questions and customization options. You'll see areas marked Untitled Form and Form Description. Here, you should input the relevant title and general purpose of your form to set the context for respondents. This means thinking about what information you need to gather and how best to word your questions to facilitate accurate responses. The next aspect is adding questions. On the right-hand side, you'll notice various icons that let you add questions, titles, sections, images, and videos. Click the plus icon to add a question. Google Forms will automatically default to multiple choice, but you have a drop-down option menu that allows you to select different formats, such as short answer, checkbox, or drop-down. Choose the type that best fits the question context. Now, one crucial feature to note is that Google Forms does not inherently have a Save or Save Progress button for respondents. This means the form must be completed in one sitting unless you enable certain functions. Therefore, if the form is long, consider breaking it into sections using the Add Section button to make it more manageable for users. Once you've finished creating your form, click the Send button in the top right corner to share your form. You'll have options to email it directly, copy a shareable link, or even embed it on a website. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Google form and learned to navigate its basic features and limitations. By taking the time to explore these tools, your data collection efforts can become thorough, efficient, and effective. Thank you for tuning in today.